Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss a very interesting and acute chronic case that was treated with homeopathic medicines, and the results were very efficient within a 1 week or so. Now this is a case of a 75-year-old female who presented with acute diarrhea, and before that she was having vomiting as well in the last month. She is a chronic diabetic patient with 30 plus years of history of chronic diabetes. She is on insulin since almost 10 years or so, and she has been taking other medicines due to her heart condition as well, जिसके अंदर की पेशेंट को have a coronary artery disease with 90 or 70% blockage in her coronary artery. She was advised not to go for surgery due to the very thin vessels of the heart. इसके अंदर पेशेंट को जो देखने को मिला प्रेजेंटिंग केस में, दैट वाज द पेशेंट हैज़ वेरी एक्यूट episode of diarrhea that was profuse, painless, and she was having it especially after half an hour or so of eating her meal. This also was more prominent during the morning time. First, the patient has taken some allopathic medicine for that. However, the diarrhea was not controlled with that as well, although it decreased to some extent. Then, after 2 or 3 days of this getting increased, she was advised to go for a diabetic HB1AC test as well as a kidney function test and liver function test to see if there was any other reason, since she is a diabetic patient. And in the report it was found that she had high levels of creatinine, urea, and decreased albumin levels. और उसके साथ पेशेंट को also there was increased uric acid level of about 8.3 mg per deciliter. This patient was then put on serum agulale 30 potency twice a day for 2 days, and started with constitutional medicine because also along with this she was having pain on the left side of the back, as she had fallen a few years back, and after that there was some injury in her vertebral column. She was having pain that was moving from the lower left upper side of the lumbar vertebra towards the upper left side of the thigh, and that was mainly aggravating while sitting, and she could not sit for much longer periods of time. Besides that, she also had vertigo, and some dizziness also was present during the episodes of vomiting and diarrhea. So after taking her symptoms, the medicine that was appeared was vulgaris, and that was prescribed to her in 30 potency 2 to 3 times a day depending upon the severity. And within about 1 week the patient's level of creatinine as well as urea decreased. The tests were repeated after 1 week or so, and the patient's creatinine and urea levels became completely normal. She was also given cuprum arsenicum 30C for about 2 days to control the diarrhea, which completely stopped after the medicine was given for 2 days, and since then she has been on vulgaris for the past 1 week. Then her tests were repeated, and now she is having complete resolution of the creatinine and the urea, although there is a slight increase in the uric acid level from 8.9 to 9.3 or 9.2, something like that, and which is a good indication if we think homeopathically, because the patient's movement of the uric acid deposition from the bones and the other organs had actually mobilized towards the blood. So um, which is has actually reduced her pain in the joint as well as the back now. So she is still under treatment, and now she is being given the medicine for the uric acid, and her diet has been managed with proper vegetables and fruits that she can have. The diabetes is under control, although she is having an HbA1c of about 6.3 to 7, something in between that, which is not completely controlled diabetes, but her medications were also checked, and it was seen that she was having a dose of lipase and some other anti-diabetic remedies along with the insulin, and that could be an aggravating factor for the increased uric acid levels and other issues with the patient. So the patient is still under observation, and she is getting treated for that, and we will make a follow-up video once the results for the after the constitutional medicine is given to her after a week or so, and then see if that would help her or to decrease the uric acid levels as well, and if there is any other issues with the patient. So this was a small video on the power and beneficial effects of homeopathic medicines in treating chronic cases. So in case you like the video or you want some information, you can contact us directly at 9646763604, and we can and if you like the video, please like and share, and you can subscribe to our channel as well. Have a great day, and thank you.